Welcome back to another episode. My name is Mike Fixacardi. If you haven't seen him already, this is the man, the legend, Dad Ficsacardi. We're about to go tear into this car and start tearing it apart to see what we need to replace. We're going to remove this front end and we're going to pull out this rad support to take tension off of this metal before it gets cut out completely. And we also want to get this radiator away from the engine since it is very close to hitting the drive belts. Now, what do you think of my latest purchase, Dad?
So this is altogether different than anything you've ever done. I'm not sure why you got a 4Runner.
Do you like these kind of?
Of course I do. Who doesn't like a 4Runner, man? You know I have you always liked these things.
Now, I have too many cars, so what would you say if this was yours?
I'd say I'm going to accept it on behalf of a lifetime devotion. Yes, I will definitely accept this car.
This
will be my retirement vehicle.
This is your retirement gift, Dad. Thank you for all that you've done for me, and I want to build this together for you. So this is yours. This is going to be yours.
I know. I was looking at it before, and I was saying this is actually not in bad shape for the accident that it's in, except for the front is obviously damaged. It's beautiful. Thank you.
I think
I
you'll
appreciate
be very
it.
comfortable in this car.
I will love this thing. This is my retirement car. That's it. Hey, thank you very much. Thank you.
All right, well, we're going to start tearing it apart now, so sit back and relax, all right?
The key's mine. I'm not giving it back.
All right, guys, so we were able to move the rad support out just enough so this way it's not hitting the engine, and we're able to decompress this metal, take some of the tension off of it. I got the skid plate off, and I'm going to see now if I can remove the bolts holding the fan shroud in place. Okay guys, so I got the fan clutch disengaged, I should be able to pull this radiator out now. I mean the fan shroud and the fan clutch. There's the fan and the clutch. Let's get this shroud out now. Okay, there's the shroud, fan shroud, and clutch. Hey my friends, so just to give you guys a quick recap, in this video I had removed the headlights which are both damaged from the accident. I cannot reuse them. The front bumper and a lot of the sensors that are in the front, parking distance sensors, the sensor for cruise control, and the front camera, a lot of which need to be replaced except for the parking sensors. So my dad and I also pulled the front end, particularly the rad support, out because the fan clutch and the fan shroud were hitting the engine. So every time we would start it, we would hear a noise, and that was the fan kind of slapping around and hitting the old destroyed radiator. So I did eventually get to remove the destroyed fan clutch and the fan shroud as well. Now I did try to remove the radiator. I did not know that at the bottom of the radiator the transmission fluid actually ran through it. So if you saw, I did lose some of that transmission fluid before I realized what exactly it was. And so I left the radiator there in place, so this way we could still move it around and I don't have to worry about losing more transmission fluid. I hope you guys continue to stay along for the build, and if you missed the last episode where I removed the headliner, I will link that video for you guys so you can check that out as well. So give this video a like, share with your friends, and I will see you next time. Bye.